Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make avocado nice. First, let's talk about choosing the perfect avocado. Look for one that yields slightly to gentle pressure, indicating ripeness. Its skin should be dark green or purplish black. Avoid any with large soft spots or bruises, as these might be overripe or damaged. A good avocado is key to a delicious result. Once you have your ripe avocado, it's time to prepare it. Carefully slice it lengthwise around the large pit. Then, gently twist the two halves apart. To remove the pit, you can carefully tap it with the blade of a knife and twist, or simply scoop it out with a spoon. Be sure to handle the knife safely. Now for the fun part, mashing and seasoning. Scoop the creamy green flesh into a bowl using a spoon. Use a fork to mash it to your preferred consistency, whether you like it smooth or a bit chunky. Enhance the flavor with a pinch of salt, a squeeze of fresh lime juice, and perhaps a dash of chili flakes or cilantro. Your delicious avocado is now ready to enjoy. It's fantastic on toast, alongside scrambled eggs, or as a creamy topping for tacos and salads. If you have any leftovers, a great tip to prevent browning is to store it in an airtight container with the pit still inside. This simple trick helps keep it fresh for longer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.